Evan, Head of Engineering for RMSTATOR. We're going to do a quick video showing how to use our Can-Am Maverick seatbelt override plug. So this just plugs in place of your original seatbelt switch, and it will basically let the system think that the seatbelt's plugged in. This is really useful because it will not put your car in limp mode with the seatbelt unplugged or disconnected, which can be a real pain when you're trying to put it on the trailer, drive it up a short hill to your garage, anything that you need some more throttle. If you do not have your seatbelt connected, you're going to be locked out in limp mode, and it's really frustrating. So I've wanted to change that many times. So it's very simple. You just trace the wires coming from your seatbelt harness, and you'll see them on this 2014 Maverick. They're tied up right here, and I already cut the zip ties so we could look at it. So real simple, just a 2-wire connector. Going to lift the tab, pull the connector apart. We're going to leave the seatbelt part alone. We'll just tie it up to the seatbelt. And we're going to take our jumper harness and make sure I have it the right way. Plug it right in to the vehicle connector. And then we'll tie it back up out of the way. So that will let the system think that the seatbelt is plugged in and will give us full access to the throttle, which makes it much easier to use in, like I said, loading or parking situations. So hope this helps.